Who doesn't dream of striking it rich? Of turning a small investment into a life-changing fortune? The allure of popular investments like cryptocurrency, real estate, and the stock market is undeniable. But what if I told you that behind every success story, there's a hidden danger lurking in the shadows? A danger that could wipe out your savings, crush your dreams, and leave you with nothing but regret. Welcome to the hidden dangers of popular investments. In the next 7 to 10 minutes, we're going to pull back the curtain on the risks no one talks about. By the end of this video, you'll see these can't-miss opportunities in a whole new light. So, buckle up. This might just save your financial future. Let's start with the biggest trap, the illusion of quick riches. Social media is flooded with stories of people who turned 100 into 1 million overnight. But what they don't show you are the thousands who lost everything chasing the same dream. Take cryptocurrency, for example. It's volatile, unregulated, and ripe for manipulation. One tweet from a billionaire can send prices soaring or crashing overnight. Remember the 2021 crypto crash? Thousands of investors lost billions in a matter of days. The truth is, for every success story, there are countless others who got burned. The danger? Getting caught up in the hype and investing more than you can afford to lose. Next up, real estate. It's often seen as the safest investment. After all, they're not making more land, right? But here's the hidden danger. Market crashes, hidden costs, and the illusion of passive income. Remember the 2008 housing crisis? Millions lost their homes, and investors were left holding properties worth a fraction of what they paid. And even in stable markets, real estate isn't as passive as it seems. Repairs, property taxes, and bad tenants can turn your dream investment into a financial nightmare. The danger? Over-leveraging and assuming the market will always go up. Now let's talk about the stock market. It's the go-to for building wealth over time, but it's not without its pitfalls. The hidden danger here? Emotional investing. When the market dips, fear takes over, and people sell at the worst possible time. Or worse, they fall for get-rich-quick schemes like meme stocks and penny stocks, which are often manipulated by big players. Remember GameStop? People made millions, but many more lost everything when the bubble burst. The danger? Letting greed and fear drive your decisions instead of logic and research. Behind every bad investment decision is one powerful emotion: FOMO, fear of missing out. It's what drives people to jump into trends without understanding the risks. But here's the truth. By the time you hear about a hot investment, the smart money has already moved on. The danger? Letting FOMO cloud your judgment and ignoring the golden rule of investing. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So, how do you protect yourself from these hidden dangers? First, educate yourself. Understand what you're investing in and the risks involved. Second, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And third, think long-term. The most successful investors aren't chasing quick wins. They're playing the long game. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. See you next time.